Usihlalo wabaqaphi bezokuphepha komphakathi wase-Orlando Mongezi Mbatha usexwayise izakhamuzi mayelana neqembu elizenza abasebenzi bakwa-SASSA ukuze liqole abaholi impesheni abakhwabanisi kusolakala ukuthi babhalisela izalukazi esihlomula emshwalenseni engumgunyathi bese bebamba imali kuma-akhawunti abo. Umbatha uthi ukwanda kwesikhalazo zabahlali abathintekayo kuqhamisa isidingo sokuhlaba umkhosi futhi wanxusa umphakathi ukuthi ubike amacala njalo kwabaka-SASSA nasemaphoyiseni.
Sekunxuswa umphakathi wase-Orlando ukuba uqaphele izigilamkhuba ezicothela izaguga ezihola isibonelelo sikahulumeni ezibhalisa-ke lezi zaguga kwimshwalense edonsa imali. Kubikwa ukuthi sezandile izigameko lapho khona izaguga zikhala ngemali yazo edonswa njalo ngenyanga nabangazi ukuthi bayibhalise nini.
There's an influx yabantu abadala, elderly people who are pensioners. Kune-scam esikhona and leso scam leso silimaza kakhulu kuma-pensioners. Babajoyinisa either ama-life policies, life covers, they sign up kulezinto lezo bengekho aware in terms of ama-deduction that are going to be deducted. There's a case whereby a pensioner was debited an amount of about 700 and there's a pensioner that was debited of an amount of about 350 for a duration of a year, whereby we managed to assist this particular pensioner and we trace the company, it's at PE. And umuntu omdala knows nothing about le PE lena nokuthi ifika kanjani information yakhe lapho esegcine debitelo.
Umbatha ukhuthaza umphakathi ukuba usondele eduze ukuzobika uma kukhona ukushaya amanzi abakubonayo.
Sesixwayise kakhulu ukuthi bangamvakashela uSASSA offices bezame ukuthi baye nama bank statement wabo bazokwazi ukubonisa ukuthi cha iqale ngelanga elithize idebit ukwenzakala until to that day azoreporta ngayo. Bangasabi futhi nathi ukusivakashela ngoba abantu abadala sometimes uthola ukuthi ulwazi noma i-information ayifinyelele kubo ngesikhathi esi-right. Bangasabi ukusivakashela ofisini le-CPF. Siyasiza kakhulu ukuthi sibathathe through ukubasiza ey'nkingeni abasuke bebhekane nazo.
Lamaqola kubika ukuthi azibiza ngabasebenzi bophiko oluholela izibonelelo zikahulumeni okuyi-South African Social Security Agency nezithengisa-ke imshwalense. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginokulunga Mthembu ngise-Orlando East.